Hey, Bonnie here. My daughter just came home from surgery on her knee, and post-surgery nutrition is so important to healing and so important to healing really, really well. And so when she came home, we loaded her up on a bunch of great extra nutrition to go with her regular healthy diet to help speed the healing process in a whole bunch of different areas in her body. And yeah, just to support her in her rehab. So I just wanted to go over what we're doing with post-surgery nutrition and what that looks like for her. I want to add a little disclaimer to the front of this though. Always follow the advice of your doctor. If he's told you that you can return to a pretty healthy, normal diet, then most of what I have to share is going to be totally fine. But again, if you have any questions, be sure to run those by your health provider too, so that you feel comfortable with what you're doing. The second thing is, as I go through these supplement pieces, we solely use Shaklee nutrition in our home as far as supplementation goes. And so I would encourage you not to try this program and expect the same results with any other brand that's out there. Shaklee Nutrition has the highest standard in natural nutritional supplementation, and their products are uniquely processed and uniquely manufactured in such a way as to guarantee purity, potency, and performance. And so you will not find a similar product on a shelf at Walmart, even if you think it's a similar name. They are not processed the same, nor are they put together the same way. So I just want to offer that as a disclaimer that this program will not work if you choose to use a different brand. So this is just an idea to get you started and to add some of that awesome Shaklee nutrition to your post-surgery rehab plans. We are loading her up with herb lax. I started that because the pain meds that she's on right now cause constipation, and so that's to just counteract that side effect. And it's a natural, gentle laxative, even gentle enough for kids at certain lower doses. And so giving her some of those to keep things moving along. And then also the stomach soothing complex is there to, again, cut down on nausea that can be a side effect from the high pain meds that she's on right now too. So, and then alfalfa is really key. It's a unique Shaklee product, one of Dr. Shaklee's original formulations, and an amazing anti-inflammatory, and also loosens the bowels too. And so that is really huge. And we just give her a handful of that. We don't even count it. We just give a little handful, like you would give a handful of green beans or a handful of green peas. It's great. And then Optiflora is the probiotic piece, and that's again to repopulate her gut with healthy, good bacteria, because I don't know if she was put on an antibiotic at the beginning of her surgery or during her surgery. I can't remember, but anyway, if somebody was put on an antibiotic as a preventative, you want to make sure that you get good, healthy gut bacteria back in there. And so we have her on that, and also just to keep her immune system really high. Then the herb, I already said the herb lax. The liver DTX is really key. Again, just to help flush out the anesthesia and also to help flush out any of the pain meds and support her liver as she's getting some of these over-the-counter and prescription pain medications while she's healing. So that's really important, and also helps move your digestive system through too. So any bile, it's helping to detox, you know. Garlic complex is really great. It's a natural antibiotic, antifungal, antiviral. It's also kind of a natural blood thinner. And so in all of those ways, that is really key to be giving her right now too, to just prevent any infection that might crop up. So that's just a great little immune supporting piece in there. And then the vitamin C sustained release, again, for healing, reducing bruising. It's a great antioxidant. So giving her some of that each day. And then Omega Guard is a great anti-inflammatory. That's the fish oil component, and is great again at reducing the inflammation. And the other piece in there is the protein, Shaklee's instant soy protein, or their energizing soy protein is great at reducing scar tissue buildup. So we were giving her protein. We give her protein every day anyway as part of her regular diet. But I will say I was really mindful to give her that and maybe a little extra before her surgery, the few days leading up to it, and then certainly the days after surgery and the day of surgery afterwards, giving her lots of soy protein to help reduce the scar tissue buildup. So, and just promote healing too. Protein is so important. So anyway, I hope this is helpful for you. This is what we're adding to a normal, regular, healthy diet that we have. We do not use a lot of processed foods. We try to keep sugar really low. You know, those things that would cause inflammation anyway. And so this is just a great piece to support your health as you're rehabbing and getting back to normal and functioning really, really well at your best level.